Hello everyone, this is Tarot's Galaxy 1111. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do the monthly reading for the sign of Aquarius. Okay, Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign of Aquarius for the September 2020. What are the messages for you in the September 2020? What things will be coming into your life, or what is happening in your life in the September 2020? So these are the general readings, so every message may or may not be resonate with each and everyone, so please take the messages wisely according to your situation. Okay, and leave the rest behind, because some other people might be meant to read listen to that messages. Okay, Justice, Knight of Cups, Eight of Cups, Six of Cups in reverse, Ten of Swords, Temperance. Okay, so for the Aquarius, you might be dealing with the air sign like a Libra, or you might be dealing with the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so the situation you are facing right now, or you are facing in the September 2020, the justice will be happen. Okay, it is a major arcana, so divine will be take care, universe will be take care of all the things which you are has been going through, because people are going through the backstab, healing their self. Aquarius people, this is the Gemini, Aquarius, Libra energy. Okay, Ten of Swords, you are able to heal yourself. This is the in reverse, so you are able to heal yourself, and right now you just want to move away, which people are not serving you, which situations are not serving you, which are the negative habits, negative thoughts. You just don't want to be put yourself in that mindset, put yourself in that situation. You are taking the leap of faith to move forward and go for the betterment, best things in your life, because there was an imbalance in the situation. You was putting your lot of efforts in this situation, but there was no equally give and take, and angels are wanted to help you out. The Temperance is reverse, but still the healing has been not happened totally. Okay, you are healing yourself, but you have to be heal yourself more. Okay, it is not completely, the healing has been not happened completely, either of yourself or either of there. It might be one of you has been healed properly, and that one person is going to move forward, able to move forward, but one of you is not able to heal properly their self, which is the water energy strongly, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so they are not able to heal them properly, so they don't want to move. Okay, this is then the Six of Cups. This is the past life connection, soulmate, twin flame card, soulmate card. Okay, past life relation card. There is a no equally give and take. There is a no giving. One person is giving lot of things, one person is taking the things. They are not ready to put the efforts. That's why one of you is just want to move away from this situation. Some of you has been guarded their self previously, but now they just have to down there all the words. They don't want to listen anything, they don't want to put their energy in this situation, they just want to move on. Okay, some of you the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, it might be in your chart. Okay, so you previously you was guarding yourself, but now you are not guarding yourself. The energy can be flip flap. Okay, this might be your energy, or this might be the other person's energy. You have to know better. Okay, so the justice will be happen. Okay, don't worry about it. And in the for the career situation, I am able to see that this job, this career things is not feeling your life purpose. Okay, this is you are giving lot of things, but your co-workers, your colleagues are backstabbing you. They are taking your advantage. Okay, and they are not giving you the promotion, they are not giving you the rewards of your work, whatever hard work you has been done. Okay, there is a no equal give and take. You are putting your effort, but they are not giving the desired outcome of your work. And previously you was guarded yourself that no, this is my work, I will do that. But now, right now, or in the September 2020, you will be not in this attitude. You will be like, okay, fine, I will not do, I will move on, I will move on. I am ready to move on. I am able to seek the other job. I am able to, I will apply to other jobs which will serve my life purpose, which will in which the people will respect me, people give me the rewards of my work. There might be for giving me the promotions. It will be your energy. Okay, and universe is telling you the justice will be happen. Okay, so you are able to you can find out the other jobs, you are able to find the other things. Okay, and there the justice will be done. Okay, so this is your reading. I will pull some advice cards for you, but you have to heal from this situation. Okay, you have to heal yourself from this situation. What are the messages for the Aquarius? What are the guidance for the Aquarius? Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign of Aquarius. As you heal yourself, then only this offer will come to you. Okay, then only you will be in a high vibration, then you will able to apply your resume to other places, other workplaces, or you might be able to find the confidence that yes, you can start up with your new career, new job, new business. Okay, so you have to heal yourself from this energy. Please heal yourself. Okay, don't let let go all the negative stuff. Okay, let go all the negative, don't think too much regarding this situation, what has been happened to you, or and blah blah. You just have to take your things, and you just have to move on for your betterment. Okay, don't think too much regarding these people. It will be drain your energy, that's why. Okay, what are the messages for the Aquarius? Okay, divine side. See the divine in everyone. Whatever the people has been backstab you, whatever the people has been not giving you the reward, you just have to see the divine in everyone, and you just have to be forgive them. Okay, forgive and move on. Number 7. Okay, it is divine is giving you the message. As you forgive themselves, then only you will able to move forward, otherwise you can't move forward, and this justice will not come to you. That's why I told you, you have to heal yourself. Heal yourself in the sense is you just have to forgive them and let them go, and you have to move on this situation, move on from this whatever the situation, even it is a work related, career related. Okay, or in the personal life, your negative habits, negative thoughts. Okay, you have to be cut the cords from this negativity. Okay, then the card is a birth. Be receptive to the new idea, child or situation. Again I am telling you, as you heal yourself, then only the good things will come to you, and you will able to give the birth to new situation. As you will be in a high vibration, then only you will able to apply your resume, you will crack the interview, you will be able to put your energy in high vibration and able to focus on your work in the new workplace, and they will give you the rewards because you are doing passionately, and they will come to know that things. and universe is telling you the justice will be happen. Okay, so you will be, there is a birth, there is a chances of birth, you will be you be receptive to new idea, new child, or new situation. For some of you it might be you are getting pregnant or there is a birth of the child. Okay, so whatever the pain you are going through, whatever pain you are going through, you will be really, you will get relief from that. Whatever the 9 months you has been suffered, you will be free from that, because the birth will be there. Okay, whatever patience you has been shown, so little bit more patience you have to be put in yourself, and then justice will be happen. Okay, that's why it is telling you divine side, see the divine in everyone. Okay, the silence, be still for all, be still for all, the answers lie in the silence. So you just have to be meditation and heal yourself, give the time for yourself. Okay, then the soul purpose, act on your soul purpose today. You just have to be focused on your work, do your work properly, that's it, and forgive them, let them go, let the situation go, it will heal. Okay, universe will take care of it. Then the freedom, the let the unicorn set you free. Again the 10 of swords in the reverse. So you will be able to heal, and you will be able to free yourself from that past heartbreak, and you will be you just have to take help from the unicorns. Let unicorns set you free. See, this person has been this person was tied in this custody or jail. Okay, there was some obstacles, he was not free. Okay, but now, right now, with the help of unicorn, he has been able to free himself from this situation and move forward. He is ready to move forward. Okay, so you just have to be free yourself. The God helps them, those people who are helping themselves. It is like that. If you want to move forward, you have to be take the charge first, then only God can arrange the other things for you, isn't it? So this is your message. So please let me know in the comment section if it is resonating with you. If you find any guidance from my reading, please let me know in the comment section. Even I would like your comments. Okay, and thank you for giving you the like, share and subscriptions. Okay, so please share my channel to your family and friends, so that they will also get the guidance and move forward in their life. Okay, so take care and bye bye. I will meet you in the next video.